Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some brioche that I made and it's leftover. Normally if you have any bread left over, you don't have to throw it away. I'm going to show you how to make a bread pudding. Here I have a brioche. So what you need in here, cinnamon and sugar mixed together and a bit of nutmeg, milk or double cream. In here I have 2 eggs, bit of vanilla and some good old Hanka butter, my favorite. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put egg in this and have a bit of cinnamon and sugar. Give it a bit of whisk. Next, milk in. Get them together. Add a bit of vanilla. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna slice bread. And you get a spatula, spread the butter over. And you get some cinnamon and sugar, sprinkle all over. Put it together like you're making a sandwich. And you repeat the process. Bit of cinnamon and sugar, overlap. Here I have a bread pan, already grease-proof paper inside here. So cut. You can cut it in any shape you want, but I like to do it like this. Then you put them in. Just tuck them in like this. And also please remember to like, share and subscribe and leave good positive comments. Push them all in. what I'm gonna do, I will pour the mixture all over now. Rest of this, sprinkle a bit on top. Get a ladle, just put it all over. This can take about 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. Spoon it all in. This is what it looked like. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. So just give it about 15 minutes to 25 minutes and should be good. Peace be. This is the bread pudding that come out of the oven. This is what it looked like. I'm gonna cut it open and show you guys what it looks like. Stay tuned. Well, the bread pudding is now out of the oven and this is what it looked like. So I'm gonna make some garnish for it. Inside this pan, I have a bit of cinnamon sugar and butter. I'm just going to melt it a bit. Inside here, I have a bit of diced apple and some orange segment. It's just to make a garnish to accompany with it. So I'm going to add it in. This is what it looked like. And in here, I have a bit of berry, raspberry, and blackberry. Just gonna drop it in. It's just make like a compote to go with it. This is what it looks like. Now you can turn it off. And here I have some custard here, warm custard to go with it. Now with the warm custard, add a bit of custard to it. Pour them over. And you have your compote. And this is what it looks like. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a good comment. Peace be. There you go.